Hi guys, to receive this 8-in-1 USB Type-C hub for Mac Mini for reading purposes, and I think it's really nice. I have my Mac Mini in this side, so let's go ahead and open it and let's see what comes inside. Okay, when we first open it, we found this box in which we have the main unit. We can place in here a solid state unit in here. With this screw we can take it out and replace it, which I think it's really nice. We have a keyboard and mouse USB-A ports in here, a Type-C, a TF and SD memory card, and we have the space for the Mac Mini, okay, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and, well, test it out. I'm gonna read the instructions which came in here. Okay guys, as you can see, I have it already installed, the hub for the Mac Mini in here. I think it's really nice. I have my mouse connected right here and the keyboard right here, okay? As you can see, we can just use this and the slots from the memory cards, which I think they are really nice. And another thing that I find quite nice is that you have this space in here with a non-slip pad, so you can place your phone like this if you want to have it charging and have the clock like this, or even if you want to watch some YouTube, you can just place it like this and be watching any video that you like while being working, which I think it's a really nice feature that it has. As I've said, you have the slots from the solid state memory and, well, another USB type A in here, a USB type C port right here, and the peripherals USB A ports, which I think it's really nice. And overall I like it a lot. It's really easy to use. You just plug and play it. Okay, as you can see, I have it connected to the USB type C port of my Mac Mini, and I think it's really nice, really easy to use. It helps you have your desk a little bit more organized and all your peripherals ready, which I think it's a really nice feature. And overall I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.